Good morning children. In the last class we have learned how to open pivot stick figure, animator window, and we have learned what are handles, what are segments, and how to change the color of the stick figure and how to set the stick figure. Today we are going to start new chapter, pivot stick figure tools. Okay, today we are going to start with stage. What is stage? The blank panel of background that you see when you open the new document in pivot window. The only stage will be visible in the final output of the animation. Now children, here you can see you can see the screen over there. Here you can see the black panel on a gray background that you see when you open the document. When we have opened the document, you can see the stick figure, and here it is in gray background. Now we will learn how to change the stage size. Now to change the stage size, go to edit option. In the option dialog box, change the dimension as per the requirement. Click on OK button. Now I will show you how to change the size of the stage. Now we will learn to change the size of the stage. Go to edit option. Click on edit option. Then click option. When you click option, you can see the option dialog box has been displayed. Now here you can see width and height. Now you can increase the size of the stage by clicking these arrows. By clicking this up arrow, you can increase the size. By clicking this down arrow, you can decrease the size. Now by this we can increase and decrease the size of the stage. After increasing the size, click OK button. Now children, you can see the change. The stage has been increased. The size of the stage has been increased. Now we will learn how to add the figure. If you want to add the figure, click the add figure button. Then the figure will be added at the center of the frame. You can move it by using orange handle. Now I will show you children how to add the figure. Now click on add figure button. When you click add figure button, you can see a figure has been added. Okay. Now you can move this figure clicking on orange origin and move it. In this way you can what you can do children, we can add the figure. Now we will learn how to change the background. Now we will learn how to change the background. Background can be added to an animation using existing background images. To add the background, select the file, go to load background. The open dialog box is made available. Browse the location, the image for the background. Click open button. Now we will learn how to open the background. Go to file, go to load background. The background dialog box will open. The open dialog box will appear. Select the picture and click open. Now you can see the background has been applied to the stage. In this way we can add the background. Now we will learn how to duplicate a figure. What do you mean by duplicate? Duplicate figures create the exact copy of the figure. Now we will make duplicate copy of that. To duplicate the copy, now here, now you can see a duplicate figure. Click on duplicate figure. Then you can see a duplicate copy of the stick figure. we will learn what is flip. Flip or mirror. The selected figure is horizontally, that is 180 degrees rotation. Flip is nothing but the rotation. Now we will learn how to flip. Now here you can see the image over here, pivot stick figure. This is known as stick figure, you all know that. Now we will flip the image. Now here you can see the flip option over here, children, flip figure. You can see the direction has been changed. By using flip or mirror image, the selected figure horizontally rotate by 180 degrees. Deleting the figure. Now we will learn how to delete the figure. Children, we have already learned how to take the duplicate copy. Now I want to delete the figure. To delete the figure, what we must do? Select the figure. Now we all learn that when the figure is in red color dots, that means the figure has been selected. Then go to where we must go? We must go to delete figure button. Then you can delete the figure. Okay children, by this option we can delete the figure. What do you mean by raise? Raise means to move the selected figure in front of all other figure. Now I will show you how to use the raise option. Now children, here you can see two figures, two pivot stick figures. Now by using raise option, you can select the figure in front of the figure. Now here you can see here this figure, colored figure. Now I want in front of the other figure. Go to raise. Now you can see children, the color figure has been got back by using raise option. Now we will learn what is lower. Move the selected figure behind all other figures. Now we will learn how to use lower option. Now here you can see the lower figure option over here. Yes. Now by using this option, we can move the selected figure behind all other figures. Now you can see the change over here children. By using this option, you can move the figure behind all other figures. About sprite. Children, what is sprite? Sprites are the images that can be moved around, scale or rotate in the same way as figure. Now you can, by using sprite image, you can move around. You can move the figure around the stick figure. Now we will learn how to load the sprite image. To load the sprite image, click the file menu. Click load sprite image. In the open dialog box, browse to locate the image for the sprite. Then click open button. A sprite image can be moved using the orange handle and rotated using red handle. To select the sprite, select the orange handle. Use the figure scale to increase or decrease the size. Select the file menu. Select the file menu. Then select load sprite image. Now here, then you can see the open dialog box. From the open dialog box, select the image and click open. The sprite image can be, you can see the image over here children. Now the sprite image can be moved using the orange handle. Now you can see orange handle, orange color dot. By using this orange handle, we can move the sprite image. Now to rotate the sprite image, use the red dot. Red dot is nothing but the segment or red handle. By using red handle, we can rotate the image of the sprite. Now if you want to increase or decrease the size of the figure, go to figure scale option and increase the size. In this way we can increase the size and decrease the size. By down arrow we can decrease the size in the figure scale option. By the up arrow we can increase the size of the figure. Now children, we have learned how to load the sprite image. Now we will learn to apply the opacity to a figure. Select the figure. Use the opacity slider to set the opacity value. Meaning of opacity. Opacity means you cannot see the things behind it. Now what do you mean by transparency? Transparency through which you can be seen. The images can be seen by using transparency option. Now I will show you what do you mean by transparency and the opacity cannot be seen the things behind it. Now I'll show you children how to use opacity. To apply the opacity to a figure, select the figure. Then go to opacity slider and increase. You can see children the change over here. The picture has been darker. When you are reducing, you can see the figure lighter. By using this option, you can apply opacity to a figure. Now we will learn how to save a figure. Go to File menu, click Save As, Save Animation As. Yes, type the file name. Now I will type class 2 and click Save button. By this you can save the animation and stick figure window will be saved with the extension of PIV. Now children, with this we have completed the lesson. In the last class I have given you the homework. Just check that homework.